The Maverick has yet to officially welcome former national coach Clovis De Oliveira back to the shores of Jamaica and back to coaching in Jamaica. Of course, this time Clovis will be operating at a different level from the 3 or 4 star national setup to be now coaching the struggling Chapelton Maroons in the Jamaica Premier League, a team that is already struggling badly and pushed even further back by the deduction of 6 precious points for that now infamous no-show game. Good to see Clovis back in Jamaica though. Good also to have a Brazilian in the Jamaica Premier League. And despite having the Jamaican experience already, it will be interesting to see how Clovis charts the course through the rugged Jamaican football terrain over less than perfect facilities, inferior services and structures, over egotistical administrators. Make we see how it gonna. We wish Chapelton Maroons well. Coach Clovis, welcome back, my friend. How are you? How is the professor? Rene, good luck with the Chapelton Maroon. Take care, my friend. Take care. See you soon. Clovis, take care.